Overview of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL. Key features that make RHEL a good choice for beginners include industry-standard learning. RHEL gives you an advantage in the job market, as it is one of the most sought-after Linux distributions in enterprise environments. Security and stability. RHEL's focus on security and stability ensures you learn best practices for maintaining a safe and reliable environment. Comprehensive documentation. Red Hat offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and learning resources to help beginners understand essential concepts. Access to developer subscription. Red Hat offers free RHEL developer subscriptions that allow you to learn, test, and explore without needing an expensive enterprise license. Certification opportunities. For those interested in a career in IT, Red Hat offers certifications like Red Hat Certified System Administrator, or RHCSA, and Red Hat Certified Engineer, or RHC, which are widely recognized in the industry. Core features of RHEL. Security is central to RHEL's design, making it ideal for environments where data protection is critical. Linux, Security-Enhanced Linux, a robust security module that enforces access controls and reduces vulnerabilities. OpenSCAP, a security auditing tool that allows you to check your system's compliance with various security standards. Security updates. Red Hat regularly releases security patches and updates to ensure your system is always protected. Stability. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is known for rock-solid stability thanks to Red Hat's focus on long-term support and rigorous testing. Software management with YUM and DNF. RHEL uses two package management tools for installing, updating, and managing software. YUM, which stands for Yellow Dog Updater Modified, and DNF, short for Dandified YUM. These tools make it easy to handle software installations, dependencies, and updates consistently. YUM, the traditional package manager in RHEL used in older versions. DNF, introduced in RHEL 8, it offers improved performance and better dependency management. Virtualization. RHEL provides strong support for virtualization using KVM, which stands for Kernel-Based Virtual Machine. This feature allows you to create virtual machines on a single host, enabling efficient resource utilization. Containerization with Podman. With the rise of containerization in DevOps, RHEL supports tools like Podman, a daemonless container engine compatible with Docker. File system options. Red Hat Enterprise Linux supports several different file systems, including XFS, ext4, and BTRFs, providing flexibility in choosing a storage system that best suits your needs. Networking tools. RHEL includes powerful networking tools such as Network Manager and NMCLI to configure and manage network connections. Conclusion. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL, is a powerful and versatile Linux distribution designed with enterprise needs in mind. However, its comprehensive tools, security features, and scalability make it a great choice for beginners looking to learn Linux in a professional setting. With the free developer subscription, extensive documentation, and strong community support, you can easily get started with RHEL and build a solid foundation for your future in IT or system administration. Learning RHEL will open many doors in the tech industry, and mastering it can be the first step toward a successful career in Linux system administration.